today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my very favorite non-alcoholic drinks. It is chilled, sparkling flavored mate. It's sold in cans in Austin. I love it, and I knew that I wouldn't be able to find it on the sailboat. So I figured out how to make it, and I'm going to teach you how to do it today. Mate is a South American herb that is uplifting, naturally caffeinated, makes you feel good, and it's super easy to make. So here we go. So all you need are these things. You need some mate. Loose leaf mate is what I have there. You need some type of a sweetener, and I'm using this peach syrup, which is absolutely delicious. There's a lot of different flavors. And you need a drink mate or a soda stream to carbonate it, and that's it. So when you're ready to drink your mate, you just take your flavored mate and pour it in the bottle for the drink mate or the soda stream. And you carbonate it. Voila!